Hi mga ka-daily, welcome sa another vlog natin. And hindi pinaplano to. We decided to go to the park today. Kahit na limited lang yung tulog natin kasi we came from work kaninang umaga. And we drove the bus for the entire day. And then nagrereklamo kasi si Riley na hindi daw siya linalabas kasi work daw ako na work. So kahit pagod, we'll take the kids out kahit papano. And may school pa din sila bukas. So saka ang init. So dito tayo sa ano pangalan? Lampman Lane Splash Pad sa malapit sa bahay dito sa Bari. So tingnan natin yung mga batuts. So yan yung mga batuta. See the splash pad. And dito na rin magdi-dinner. Nag-take out ng pizza. Naglatag yung banig. And kasi Ate Riley Ate Paige. Ayan. Ate Paige, you wanna do a shout out before you go back to the splash pad?
Shout out to who?
Huh?
Shout out to Popper's Pizza, man!
Okay, go. Init sobra guys, 30 plus today dito. Napaka-init, grabe. Ayan. So mamaya na ulit, bantayan muna natin ng mga itlog kasi sobrang likot. Alright. Ayan, and sanitize muna mga itlog.
Ooh,
Riley, let's eat muna.
Where's that?
Kanina umiiyak lang to. Tapos biglang nawala yung iyak. Yung sinabi ko yung pupunta sa splash pad. Ayan.
Oy! Hindi na lang naghugas doon. Ay, basang-basang.
So, ito community center to guys. Then, neighborhood. Parking lot.
Mommy, my hands are soapy.
And then may playground doon, basketball court, splash pad, and then there's a baseball field, and then skateboard rink over there.
That's mine. Corner part. That's mine. You can get that corner part.
Come on guys, there's plenty of pizza.
At the page is taking it.
Riley, come on.
She's rinsing her hands after soapy.
Kain mga ka-daily, kain tayo.
Yeah, mga ka-daily. Pizza.
Pizza, walang kasamang pizza. There's chicken wings here in this box. Riley, can you eat first?
Chicken wings? Okay. Wow.
Alrighty. Yan mga ka-daily sa mga taga Pilipinas viewers natin. Ganito lang ang buhay sa Canada. Although we pay a lot of tax, grabe a lot of tax. Nakikita naman natin kung saan napupunta. I mean, like, sa Pilipinas, di ka makakita ng ganitong libre sa mga park na splash pad na ganito. Siyempre, resort na, may bawal yan. Pero dito sa Canada, siyempre, malakas ang tax. Eh, kahit naman pa paano na papakita nila sa mga tao kung saan napupunta mga taxpayers natin. Ayan ang budget na. Ayan. Maraming ganito dito sa Canada guys, sana pag summer, pag init na init ka na, may mga splash pad yung park. Bawat neighborhood palagi ng may park. May Bombi. Okay, show me what you're gonna do, man. Let's go. Huh?
Hi.
Hi. Where's Stacy? No, you're good. You're good. You're good.
You wanna hug?
Alright. Bye. Next time ulit.
Bye. The episode is coming soon.
There you go. Uwi na kasi may school pa bukas. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe.
Alright.
Comment what your favorite water park is.